Yeah, so from what we understand so far, he's very tight-lipped, of course, on the design, but the idea was that this could be a continuous screen that folds. We've got to a point now where there's this folding screen. Like a Game Boy?
Wasn't it a Game Boy that had two screens?
Oh, yeah, but that was a flip. That was on a hinge. That was on a hinge, Steve, you know. The idea is that there may not even be a hinge. So that's what we're looking to see. Screen technologies come.
I bet there is a hinge.
There'll be some sort of hinge.
We've turned the industry upside down in the past, and we're about to do it again today. I'm so excited about our next breakthrough, the foldable display.
To infinity and beyond!
Today is a big milestone. And I'm sure you're all wondering what it looks like in real life and how it works. Well, want to know more? It's finally here. When it's open, it's a tablet, offering a big screen experience. Thank you. It's gorgeous. When closed, it's a phone that fits neatly inside your pocket. Thank you. Now, of course, I'd get in trouble if I showed you everything today. So we've disguised the elements of the design, but trust me, there's a device inside here, and it is stunning. All the industry-leading displays we've brought to market. Each one was an important improvement on what's come before, and has helped people all around the world experience something entirely new. Well, today, we're taking our innovation in mobile to the next level, and I'm honored to share with you our vision for a new generation of smartphones. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the future of mobile display technology, the Infinity Flex Display. But it's inherently inflexible. So we had to replace it with something that has the same benefits yet achieve something new. We had to invent a new protective layer. In this case, an advanced composite polymer that's both flexible and tough. The next challenge we faced was that until now, displays have been static, meaning once we combined all the component layers, they never had to move. Now that's all changed, as the Infinity Flex display has been designed to be folded and unfolded repeatedly, without any degradation. To do this, we had to find a new kind of malleable adhesive that allows us to laminate the display layers together securely while enabling them to flex. Well, we did it, making this new display flexible and durable enough to be folded hundreds of thousands of times. And the Infinity Flex is more than a new kind of display. And together with One UI, it lays the foundation for a new platform, an entirely new mobile experience. One UI works through two displays. When the device is closed, you have all the benefits of a normal smartphone. The cover display is a fully functioning touchscreen that allows you to use your apps without opening the device. And if you want a bigger screen, you simply unfold it to reveal the full 7.3-inch display. And with app continuity, the app you were using when the device was closed is right there waiting for you when it's open. It's an intuitive, continuous experience between the cover display and the main display. In addition, we're giving people the ability to run up to 3 apps simultaneously. No swapping between apps, no closing one app to get to another, just multitasking as it was meant to be. We call it multi-active window. Thank you. You can see how One UI turns the foldable display into something of real value that's going to reinvent the mobile experience. And we're not stopping there. Our innovation pipeline includes new technologies such as rollable and even stretchable displays. What you're seeing today is the result of the most talented engineers and designers in the world making incredible breakthroughs to create something amazing for you. And this isn't just a concept. The breakthroughs we've made in display materials have been matched by breakthroughs in manufacturing. As a result, we'll be ready to start mass production in the coming months.